Relatively few know this, however, coffee has been utilized as a characteristic hair color for quite a while. Coffee can turn your light hair darker or give your normally dull hair a solid gleam. Coloring hair is normal, and the vast majority have done this at any rate once in their lifetime. In like manner, a great many people drink coffee, so for what reason not utilize that coffee and influence a hair to color with normal fixings? Note that coloring your hair normally some of the time does not keep going as long. In any case, it is similarly vital to take note of that this technique for shading your hair does not do harm to your hair. It can even reinforce it. There are more than 5,000 unique chemicals utilized as a part of unnatural hair colors, per the National Cancer Institute. A significant number of these chemicals are known to cause growth. Nonetheless, coffee is totally characteristic item that won't cause harm as well as advantage your hair. When utilizing the all-common coffee blend, your hair will have the best possible sparkle and shade. This blend additionally develops your hair all the more rapidly, per an investigation that was distributed in the 2007 issue of International Journal of Dermatology. The most effective method to utilize coffee to color your hair: make solid natural coffee, ideally coffee. Non-natural coffee in all likelihood contains some additional chemicals. Let your coffee cool. Mix 2 measures of leave, taking all things together, characteristic conditioner with 2 tablespoons of natural coffee grounds and some cool prepared coffee. Apply the blend onto your hair and leave in for around 60 minutes. It will give your hair a lovely chocolate shading that is free from any harming chemicals. Another less complex choice is known as a coffee wash. Shampoo your hair to start with, and after that pour coffee over your head. Leave in for 20 minutes. Utilize apple juice vinegar to wash the coffee out of your hair. At that point, flush it off with warm water. In the event that you are not content with your outcomes, proceed with a similar procedure for a couple of days consecutively. This will enable the coffee to infiltrate the strands of your hair.